Alright, so I'll let the bike warm up and I'll give you a listen to what it sounds like.
On the dash, apart from the old ABS light, but yeah, pulled up. Flames. Here's it shooting flames. So what do I think of this link pipe? It sounds amazing, like don't get me wrong, it sounds fantastic, but I need to do a tune. This thing needs to be tuned. It's got a flat spot, has a flat spot about mid-range RPM, where normally it would really pull hard. It's got a real bad flat spot. And I definitely don't want this thing running lean.